heroes. Grab your brush, grab your paste. It's time to make those smiles shine bright. Wake up, morning glow. Let's get ready, here we go. Toothbrush ready, minty taste. Time to sparkle every face. Step 1, squeeze your paste. A little bit, don't let it waste. Step 2, wet your brush. Nice and easy, don't you rush. Step 3, up and down. Front teeth first, all around. Step 4, side to side. Keep that shining full of pride. Hey! Brush, brush, shine. Left to right and take your time. Brush, brush, glow. Up and down and here we go. Front and back, don't you miss. Clean your tongue for that fresh kiss. Brush, brush, shine. 2 full minutes feeling fine. Feeling fine. Feeling fine. Step 5, little circle slow. Every tooth from high to low. Step 6, inside 2. That's the part that hides from you. Step 7, rinse, don't spit too fast. Make that freshness really last. Step 8, check your grin. Say cheese, sparkle from within. Hey! Morning, evening, every day. That's the healthy, happy way. Smile so bright your teeth will say thank you, hooray! Brush, brush, shine. Left to right and take your time. Brush, brush, glow. Morning, now you're good to go. Front and back, don't you miss. Clean your tongue for that fresh kiss. Brush, brush, shine. Now that's a healthy smile of mine. We did it! Cover brush every day, make it a rhyme. Healthy teeth, one smile.